Okay, myself is Saktivel, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, K. Rangasamy College of Technology. Okay, today we are going to discuss about welding defects. So, what are the welding defects we are going to discuss today? So, types of defects: slack inclusions, undercut, porosity, incomplete fusions, overlap, underfilling, steppers, occlusion, convective, exclusive weld, refinement, incomplete penetrations, exclusive penetrations. So these are the types of defects, welding defects. So first we're going to see about the slack inclusions. So causes it is caused by low amperage, improper techniques, slow travel rate, then previsions. So previsions means increase the amp. How you going to reduce the this causes means do you want to increase the amp, then increase the travel rate. So repair, removed by grinding or other mechanical process. So this is called slack inclusions. So next we're going to see about the undercut. So next we're going to see about the undercut. So it causes high amperage, then wrong electrode angle, long arc length, rust. So these are the causes for undercut. Preventions. How are we going to prevent the undercut? Set machines on scrap metal to correct the parameters. Clean metal before welding. So you want to clean the metal before welding. Repairing. Weld will weld with smaller electrode. Sometimes must be low hydrogen with preheat. Next, porosity. So this is the porosity. We have the while we're going to weld the we're going to join the two metals. What happens? The porosity will be created due to the gas formations of welded metal. Incomplete fusions. So incomplete fusions so causes low amplage, then step electrode angle, fast travel speed, short or gap, lack of preheat, electrode too small, unclean based metal arc of steam. Okay, prevention. How are we going to prevent? Eliminate the potential cause. So by eliminating the potential cause, we can prevent the incomplete fusions. So repairing. So remove and re-weld beginning the careful to complete the remove the defective area. So just you want to remove the defected area means it will be reduce the incomplete fusions. So next we're going to see about the overlap. So it is caused improper welding techniques, step electrode angle, fast travel speed. So it is caused due to improper welding techniques, step electrode angle, fast travel speed. Preventions. Overlap is a counter problem. So overlap is a counter problem. Proper welding techniques will be prevented this problem. So proper welding techniques will be prevent for this problem. So this is called overlapping. So next we're going to see about underfilling. So next we're going to see about the underfilling. So it is caused improper welding techniques. How are we going to prevent this? Apply proper welding techniques for welding type and position. So you want to apply the proper welding techniques for types and position. Use stripper bands before the cover pass. So use the stripper band before cover pass. So repair means you're going to simply weld to fill. Then may require preparations by grinding. So you after welding will be done, we want to remove by means of grinding process. Spatter. Spatter will be created high arc power, magnetic arc blow, damped electrodes. So damped electrodes. Preventions: reduce arc power, reduce arc length, use dry electrode. Used dry electrode. So this is called a spatter. So while we are going to do the arc welding, so it will be created on the workpiece. So remove by mechanical process. By remove the mechanical process. exclusive convectives. So exclusive convectives means it is caused by amplification amp of the world, then travel speed, prevention, observe proper parameter and techniques. So observe the proper parameter and techniques. Repair must blend smoothly into the based metal. So must blend smoothly into the base metal. Then exclusive convex. So exclusive convex means it is comped by similarly we have the amp, then travel speed, prevention, observe proper parameter and techniques. So repair will be the must blend smoothly into the base metal. So you want to bend smoothly into the base metal. Then exclusive weld ref, refractment. So cars travel speed will be too slow, then amp also too low. Okay, it will be create the, so while the amp will be very low, then true travel speed of the weld is very low means what happen? The exclusive weld refinement will be created. So prevention, how are you going to prevent these defects means you want to set the travel speed and the amp of scrap plate. So you want to, before we going to start the welding, so you want to set the travel speed and the amp will be amp of the welding machines. So the amp will be play a major role for all defects. So maximum major defect will be amp. So before we going to weld any positioning or welding, so you want to set the amp properly. Okay. Then repairing, remove the exclusive refinement and the further weld to stocks to be smooth, transmission to be base plate. So we have the world like this. So we have the face referencement, the face of the world, then boot referencement. Then incomplete penetrations. So incomplete penetration means, so we have the parent metal and base metal. We want to, we have the filler metal. Okay, so the filler metal will be cannot be penetrated between the two metals means it will be incomplete penetration. It also caused by the low amp, low preheat. Before we going to weld, we want to preheat properly. Tight root opening, fast travel speed, shorter length. Then prevention, correct the contributions of factor. So correct the contributions of factor, we can avoid the incomplete penetration. Then repair, how we going to repair means back gauge and back weld. Exclusive penetrations. So exclusive penetrations, it is the it cannot. So this is the extra exclusively penetrated of the welding material. So the penetration with so exclusive weld will be created. So this is the we have job. We have, so we have the job like this. Then two job. It is a butt welding. The solid inclusions are any non-metallic solid material entrapped into the weld metal. Okay, this is called solid inclusions. Then solid inclusion passed by dirty base metal, exclusive moisture in electrode, then dirty fillers. Okay, then lack of penetration. Then we have the lack of penetrations. So job, we have the job to job. Okay, it is a lack of penetrations. We cannot, the lack of penetration means that the well depth is not up to the desired level. So it is not filled by the desired level. So lack of penetration caused by, okay, so lack of penetration caused by improper joints from, for example, it is the simplest to obtain the full penetration in the U joint as compared to the J butt joint. Okay. So too large root face, root gap too small bowel angle, less or current, faster or travel speed. So weld crack. So how the weld crack will be created? This is the job we have. So this is the weld crack. So this is the T joint. So during this welding, the crack will be created like this. So the weld crack is discontinuous in the weld zone. So weld cracks are caused by. So how the weld cracks is caused means poor ductility of base metal, fast arc travel speed, rigidity of joint. So these are the cause of weld crack. So poor weld. So this is the poor weld. You cannot join properly. So we have the job like this. So weld will be created like this. Okay. So weld will be a poor welding bandwidth. So we have the very poor bandwidth. A weld band appears to be a poor if it is a not desired strength. Okay, it is not a desired strength. So bandwidth varies from the place to place. The bandwidth will be varies from place to place. Porosity. So we have the porosity. So we have the job. The porosity means small void throughout the weld material. So porosity causes by interpellment of refractory oxides, the improper joint design, poor electrode manipulate, then destructions. So it will be a job. It will be created a small amount of well will be a not in correct angle. Okay, so just you want to keep the angle properly. Destruction is the change in shape and the difference between the portions of the two plate before the welding and after welding. So before welding and after welding we can uh, properly position visual inspections. How we going to visual inspect the welding during welding? So we have the job. So blowholes. So blowholes will be we can see through our naked eye. So this is called visual inspection. So by seeing itself, we will know the in this welding we have the blowholes. So this is called visual inspection. Visual inspection is the first step in the inspections of component and may be done with the unaided everyone using this hand lens or microscope. So by using a visual eyes directly we can see the defects. Otherwise we can see the lens or microscope to see the defects.